Hi guys, welcome to the video. So in this video we'll be doing a free running Linux quiz. Like we'll be doing that Linux quiz similar like Docker quiz I have released some days back. It's a similar kind of quiz which I have hosted in S3 bucket, which you can attempt and try attempting it, and you'll be able to get the score also at the end. And if I check, this is the quiz. I'll give the quiz link in description. You can please find the quiz link in description and you can attempt it. And you can
How do you check the available disk space in Linux?
attempt it and you can probably post your scores in comment. So this is how it would be. So let's attempt it.
How do you display the active network connections on a Linux system?
How do you check the system's uptime in Linux? How do you list all the users on a Linux system? How do you check the currently running processes in Linux? How do you display the list of all installed packages in a Debian-based system? How do you find out the Linux system's IP address? How do you check the amount of memory used on a Linux system?
I'll not attempt it again. So I'll make it. I'll choose all wrong answers and let's see what score I'll get.
How do you change file permissions in Linux? How do you check the disk usage of a specific directory in Linux?
How do you check the status of a service on a Linux system using system? How do you update the package list in a Debian-based system? How do you search for a file in a Linux system? How do you install a package in a Red Hat-based system?
How do you shut down a Linux system? How do you add a new user to a Linux system? How do you check the available disks in Linux? How do you display the manual page for a Linux command? How do you create a symbolic link to a file in Linux? How do you display the last 10 lines of a file in Linux? Your Linux quiz results.
So this is the overall result I'm getting. My highest passing score would be 60%. I've not got 60%. So you can re-attempt it and you can review the quiz as well. Like you can review the answers as well. It will give you the answers, correct answers, and it will give you everything. You can probably go and attempt this quiz, direct quiz, which will be useful for your interview purpose. Like in interviews also people ask, right? This kind of questions you get in interview. So you can attempt it and you can probably get the score, and then you can probably post the score in comment section. So that I'll get to understand how people are writing or people are attempting the quiz. If you have attempted, please like the channel, like the video and subscribe to the channel if possible. If you really like the video. Thank you.